Hey, if you're like me and you're watching this video, then you're probably into editing. If you're new to editing, then you can watch this video to learn something new that you may not have known before. The LumaFusion app helped me get creative with my videos, and I want to show you how to do it too. Today we'll be going over the colors and effects tool in LumaFusion and how you can apply it to your videos to make creative and effective videos for your audience. Once you've downloaded the app, you want to click on the pencil icon. Then you want to click on the top right corner on the third block. Then click on the max filter. This was my choice of filter, but you can use any filter you'd like. Get creative with it, and I can't wait to see what you guys make. Now that you have watched this video, I hope that you learned something new. Make sure that you take some skills from this and that you apply it to your own videos. Make sure to download the LumaFusion app and get creative with your videos. There's many other tools that you can use, and I hope that you have fun with it.